Hello, today is Ugadi. Ugadi is a Hindu New Year. I have planned a festive menu for today and let's get started. It's a long day for me as I have a lot of festival works piled up in my schedule, and this is my festive menu. So, without any delay, let's get into the video. This video will be very helpful for those if you are looking for a quick festive menu ideas, and take a screenshot of this menu and try for any of your festivals. So first thing first, I have cooked main ingredients already to make the cooking easy, as chana and corn have to be cooked very properly. Chana must be soaked overnight and cook it for 6 whistles, and corn cook it for 4 whistles. Next up, soak urad dal for 4 hours before to make vada, and soak green gram dal for 1 hour before to make kosamri. Please make a note of it, and if you do all these right after waking up, then your half of the kitchen work is completely done. Now I'm keeping rice to cook. I'm here keeping 3 glasses of rice for 2 people for 2 times. In this, half goes for chitrana. For 3 glasses of rice, 6.5 glasses of water I pour to this. So for now, urad dal soaked properly, and let me make vada batter. For vada batter, all you need is urad dal. You have to soak it for 4 hours and it's done. And do not add any drop of water while grinding it, because it needs thick consistency while making vada. If you really feel like adding water, then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. So now all these goes for chopping. Potato for potato fry, onion, tomato, chili, coriander, all these you need for every single dishes. So what I do is I chop everything at once. So make sure you wash your potato really well, because it has a lot of mud in it. Chop into 2 pieces randomly and add 1 glass of water in a cooker and keep it for at least 4-5 whistles. Usually I keep all the easy cooking dishes in festive menu so that festival won't feel hectic. Today I'm not preparing holige and gulab jamun. My husband will order sweets for today. So here I'll chop all the veggies and keep it aside to make the process easier. I'm using this chopper from really long. You will easily find these from Amazon, Flipkart or anything, but I got it from my mother-in-law's kitchen, and this is very helpful. This actually do the work really smooth. I like this one because especially whenever I cut onion, I tear up. That I do not like it. So this is what it is going to help a lot. What you have to do is you have to chop it randomly and use this so that it will cut in cubes. Now I'm doing both the salads at once, chana corn and kosamri at once, because both needs cucumber, both needs onion, and both needs tomato. Because most of the ingredients are similar, I'm doing it simultaneously. I'll break it down and tell you exactly what I am going to use for what.
Check your butt. అది చేద్దామని పెట్టిన చేస్తా అని చెప్తాను వీడియోలో లేదు ఇక్కడ.
For kosamri, all you need is a soaked green gram dal and ginger grated, onion, tomato, salt, chili, coriander. And it's good that if you add grated coconut too. I do not have coconut, but I'm adding curd here. Okay, next up is corn chana salad. For that, all you need is boiled corn and chana, chili finely chopped, and tomato, coriander, onion, lemon and pinch of salt. That's it. As you can see, opattu have already arrived. Now I'm making a vada. For vada, batter is ready, and now I have chopped up all the main ingredients: onions, curry leaves, coriander leaves, ginger, peppercorn. 2 tablespoons of rice flour is a must add to the crispiness of vada. Make sure your oil is heat up really well. This might seem a silly step, but if you miss this, you're going to mess your entire process. While I'm preparing for a rasam powder, all I add is 2 spoons of coriander seeds and 1 spoon of jeera and 1 spoon of peppercorn. This goes for grinding along with 2 chilies and a few garlics. I also cooked a tomato with 2 green chilies with a lemon sized tamarind. I feel rasam is a easier thing to make, so I'm adding this in my list. For the same hot oil pan, I added few papads, and so papad also ready. Now my husband in the kitchen to make masala chitrana and potato fry. He makes the best chitrana. For that chitrana, he adds a masala that includes a small piece of chekke with some dry coconut, coriander leaves and garlic. Remaining process is same as Karnataka style chitrana, that is, for the hot pan adding oil, mustard, jeera, followed by chana dal, urad dal and peanuts, curry leaves, adding a grind mixture, cook it really well, then add rice, lemon and salt, and good to go. Your chitrana is ready. And for potato fry, all you have to do is add oil, mustard seeds, jeera, curry leaves and cook it onion until it turns golden brown. Add chilies and add boiled potato to it, and your potato fry is ready. This is our festive menus. You can see what all we have prepared, and we are very proud of ourselves for doing this. So this is all about today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked my video as much as I did while creating it. So let me know in a comment below what you guys really think about it. See you in my next video. Bye.